Once you're finished producing your track, you'll want to export it ready for upload. To achieve this, simply expand the Properties panel. Click Export, then Render to a file. The pop-up window allows you to set a folder as to where your track will be saved. We can choose from a range of audio formats, including MP3. Click Render and the track is saved to the folder you created. Double-click on any MIDI clip and its content can be viewed in the MIDI editor. Here you can quickly rearrange, add, quantize and edit MIDI notes. Each track has its own mute and solo controls. Clicking the mute button silences the track, while clicking the solo button allows you to listen to the track in isolation. To slice a clip, simply place the mouse cursor where you'd like to make the slice, and then press the / key on your keyboard. Once sliced, you can quickly move, rearrange and delete segments of any clip. Any clip in your arrangement can be quickly duplicated or deleted. First, make sure a clip is highlighted. You can then press the D key on your keyboard to duplicate the clip, or the Delete key on your keyboard to delete it. First, create a fresh instance of the micro drum sampler. Press the B key to open the browser. Locate your samples and drag them over to the pads. Once loaded, you can change the name, drum icon and color of each pad. I hope this video has helped to get you up and running with your first waveform production. For a deeper dive into more general waveform functionality, please head over to the training section at traction.com.